In our last video, we installed a plugin called Wordpress. What that's done is it's given us a shortcode that we can use to insert a YouTube gallery inside a page or post. We're going to add one to a page. We'll call it Garden Theater, and we'll put the Wordpress shortcode in, and that's all you have to do. Wordpress is primarily set up by the settings we changed last video, and all you have to do is put this shortcode in and it will display your gallery with those settings. So let's publish and view our new theater. There it is. We have some videos. As you can see, we may have some work to do to narrow down our search results and get some more relevant videos. We have plenty, but we have a few that are not relevant as well. But let's go back to the Wordpress settings to see if there's anything we want to change in the page layout. Let's go to the thumbnails. The thumbnail height and width is fine. If we had Pro, we could use Ajax enabled pagination and high quality thumbnails. But we can use fluid thumbnails. I think we'll do that. Show pagination above and below. That's fine. Randomize thumbnail images. That's good. We'll leave that on. 20 thumbnails per page. We'll save that. So all those settings are good. Play each video normally at the top of your gallery. This is where it gets interesting. Now we can use a JQ modal window, which is a JavaScript window that pops up in the browser. So let's do that and see what that looks like. Save and refresh that page. We no longer have the player up here, but what happens when we open that? See, it opens in its own modal window. So that is a very nice feature, and I think we'll keep it. So we will now go to the player again and see if we have anything else we want to change. We do want the lazy play videos, which is auto-playing each video after the thumbnail click. If you don't have this enabled, your readers will have to click the thumbnail, then click play. I think most readers expect the video to play when they click the thumbnail. So I recommend leaving this clicked. If you were using it for indie films or something where the rating really mattered, you might want to show title and rating before the video starts. We're not doing that, but that is an interesting feature for some sites. We can autoplay all videos. We can continue playing the video until the user stops it. I don't think we want to do that. And we should enable the JavaScript API that aids in performance and add some features. And we can change the colors here. I don't think we want to do that. We can also change the YouTube player to a light theme or dark theme. I like the dark theme. But you may only be able to change that in Pro. We do want to allow full screen playback. And we do want to hide the YouTube logo from the control area. And what sort of progress bar options do we have? That looks like you can hide the video controls. I will also fade the video controls in addition to the progress bar because most people prefer to watch just the video and not have those controls there. So I will save that and move on to advanced. You can change the shortcode here, so if you don't want to use Wordpress, maybe you want to shorten it to TP, you could do that here. With the Pro version, you could enable secure HTTP, which would even further bolster your security. And that looks like Wordpress is probably configured to our liking. So we will continue creating more pages for our site in our next video.